Hey guys, I'm going to be driving. If I can enter my dang car. My game is being all weird, so I might reset. Weird. Even when I'm dead. Okay. Okay, I might have to leave and join back. Come on, come on. Alright. Come on, come on. There we go. Alright, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Yes, it's finally here. Ah, nice little entrance. You think you got a real nice car, huh, pal? Alright, time to drive on. I'll try my best to not crash. Try my best to not crash. How did my car not get damaged? Oh no. Oh, there we go. This was a $1,000,000 car. Holy, holy, brake, brake, brake. Don't crash. Okay, okay. Going a little too fast. Oh, a bridge. Okay. Other way. Supposed to go up this road here. My goal is to crash off a broken piece. You know what? I'll make the jump. There we go. Nice little jump for you guys. We're going too fast. Going too fast. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh God. God. No. Oh my God. I swear to God, I'm going to hit my car. You know what? Oh. I'll get my car back. I don't really care. Come on. Alright. I'm gonna... Hey! That was not nice. Oh crap. I'm just damaging a nice car. Alright, let me back up. Let me back up. Alright. Alright. Oh, whoa, I almost just crashed. Alright. Remember, my goal is to crash off this. Did not work. Dang it. I'll try making that jump this time. I'll try making it. And can you please sub? I only got 26. I want 27. Can you please all get me 27 subs? I want 27. Please. Please, please, please. I want 27. I want 27. I want 27 right now. Give me 27 right now. I want 27 subs right now. Give me 27 subs or else I'll eat you. Let's just go. You won't give me my subs, huh? Happy? I crashed. You know what? I give up. I give up. You know what? I'll just drive into the water. I'll just drive into the water. Unless if you won't give me 27 subs. Oh, that's my little brother. You know what, guys? I'll end the video here.